Hello, beautiful people of the world. Assalamu alaikum, warm greetings. In this video, I will show you rapid palatal expansion, soldering, and welding. This is the Hyrax screw and key. My model is ready with mark. Now, let's start step by step. You don't need any special plier. Loop forming plier is enough. This wire is 1.2 mm, quite heavy. You need to bend precisely. Bend one side, adapt properly, then bend other side and cut in a proper point. The design depends on your treatment protocol. Then we will go for soldering. We need gas torch, silver solder. This is the flame, blue flame, very much heat. Now I cover the screw using ordinary plaster so that heat will not transfer. Now I will start soldering. The bending wire and the metal part of the band I will join together using silver solder. Using gas torch, now melting the silver solder and then transferring directly to the bended wire and the band part. It will join together using this silver solder. What a shiny appearance you can see. That band area model, there is a gap so that the heat will not transfer directly, otherwise model will break. Small solder you can use plier to hold to avoid any burn. This is how I do the soldering. Now this is the spot welder. I need to do spot welding because some of the part of my rapid palatal expansion screw was moving. So I decided to do spot welding. This is the spot welding point. In this spot welder, there is constant heat solder part and firing switch. The area to metal I want to do spot welding, I will place in that spot welder point and then use constant heat and fire switching. Usually we do for preformed band and the buccal tube to join for spot welding. This is special case. I am doing the spot welding to avoid the movement of that screw part. My rapid palatal expansion screw with soldering and welding, everything is ready to deliver to the patient. Now please have a look what a shiny appearance of the soldering. You need to do nicely the polishing. Metal polisher, we have 3 type of bar. Regarding polishing, I will show another video. Make sure there is no sharp point, otherwise patient will feel pain. It will impinge the palatal mucosa. So proper polishing is very important. Following the direction of arrow, insertion of key into the hole, need to turn the screw. Here you can see it is already in the patient mouth. With that, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.